So good morning to one and all. My name is Suresh. So today we are discussing about the one more topic. The topic name is the what is the uses of the plane mirrors? What is the uses of plane mirrors? Plane mirrors. It is a very important topic. Okay now. So uses of the plane mirrors. The mirrors are used in the so many purpose. Okay now. First of all. Plane mirrors also using in the periscope. Next, plane mirrors also using in the kaleidoscope. Next, plane mirrors also using the security purpose, but by using the CC cameras. Next, also plane mirrors also using the microscopic and telescope. And plane mirrors also using in the ENT doctors. ENT means eyes, nose, and teeth. These doctors also using the plane mirrors. Next, dressing mirrors. Next, decorating mirrors. Okay now, so today we are discussing about what is the uses of the plane mirrors. First of all, the plane mirrors are also used in the periscope. First point, periscope. So in this plane mirrors also used in the periscope. Mainly the plane mirrors is used in the periscopes by using purpose of bending points and corner points. Bendings and corner points. Mainly the plane mirrors also in the periscope using the bending point and corner point, and outside enemies are coming outside enemies are coming by using the periscope, and submarines and sailors also using in the periscope. Okay now, submarines and sailors also, sailors and submarines also used in the periscope. Next, kaleidoscope. Mainly the kaleidoscope in 7th class to came. Okay now, in 7th class lesson, kaleidoscope means to seeing the beautiful pictures and images are to seeing. Okay now, next, kaleidoscope means to see the fantastic pictures, beautiful pictures and images are to seeing on the kaleidoscope. Next, security purpose. By CC cameras also using in the plane mirrors. By plane mirrors are used in the school and colleges, and shops are used in the security purpose of plane mirrors using. Next one, telescope and microscope. Telescope and microscopes. Microscope means to see the smallest image, to see the biggest image. Smallest image to show the biggest image. And the telescope means longest object to show the nearest objectives. Longest object to show the nearest to objective. Next, barber shops also using the plane mirrors. Next, dressing mirrors. Dressing mirrors. Mainly barber shops and dressing tables also using the plane mirrors. Next, ophthalmic doctors. That means ENT doctors also using the plane mirrors. Next, decorating purpose main functions, marriages and so many festivals also using the decorating plane mirrors. These are the uses of the plane mirrors. Next, how to draw the systematically letter B image formed. How to draw the next, how to draw the explain diagrammatically explain diagrammatically images of letter B. Okay na? So first of all I will draw the one letter. First of all I will take the one plane mirror. These are the one plane mirror. Here only two sides. It is the left side, it is the right side. So left side we will draw the one letter. This letter is called for the letter B. Okay na? Here only O object. It is draw the another object. Next, here only form the another object. It is a image and image dash. These are the systematically made. Next, what is the definition of the virtual image and real image? Virtual image and real image Virtual image means the image formed to the divergent of the light rays. The image is formed to divergent of light rays formed. Divergent of light rays are formed. It is called for the real image. Next, it is called for virtual image. Next, what is the definition of the real image? The image is formed to convergent of the light rays. These are called for the real image and virtual image. What is the main differences between the virtual image and the real image? Here only form the light rays are divergent and here only form the convergent. These are the main differences. Next, draw the mind mapping of the reflection of the plane surfaces. Draw the mind mapping of reflection of light at plane surfaces. Okay now. So first of all, in this lesson we learning about the first one is the permittive principle. Next, reflection of light, and here only we learning about the mirrors. Okay now. First of all, what is the definition of the permittive principle? The light is select to the path is the very least time. The light to choose the to choose the path which take the very least time. It is called for the permitted mean. The light is to take the path, to travel the path, take the time, least time, it is called for the primitive principle. Next, reflection of light, these are two. First one is the first law and second law. First law and second. First law is angle I is equal to angle R. Second law means incident ray, reflected ray, and normal line are same line, are in the same line. And here only we mirrors also so many are. First one periscope, kaleidoscope, next dressing mirrors, security mirrors, ophthalmic mirrors, and decorating mirrors. These are the main mapping. Next, here only images. Images are two types. One is the virtual image and real image. And mirrors are plane mirrors, concave mirrors, and convex mirrors. Okay, now mainly in this lesson we are discussing about the primitive principle, reflection. These are the two types: reflection of first law and second law. Next, images two types: virtual image and real image. The mirrors are periscope, kaleidoscope, dressing table, security, and ophthalmic. And these are the today topic. Understand? Okay, thank you.